So, hello, my name is Alan, and I am the Mind Alchemist. Today, I wanted to show you a different Silva manifestation hack. It's how to imprint energy into an object for success. So, I'm going to show you three objects. One could be a crystal that you could put into a room to energize a room, to clear the room, to bring good success and fortune into your life. You could imprint business cards. For example, I have a stack of business cards here that if I want to imprint them so that every time someone touches them, sees them, holds them, it brings good luck and prosperity to me and my business. I could also, something that I use very often, like a set of glasses, which I need right now to see with, but also a pendulum. I have a pendulum always with me in every pocket for some reason. But anyways, you could put the energy into an object, and anytime you hold that object or you are in the vicinity of that object, you will receive the benefits of it. So if you're a Silva Method graduate, please go into 3-2-1, go to your level using your 3-2-1 method. If not, you could just close your eyes and intend that you are at a very calm, peaceful level. And when you are there, I'd like you to imagine taking this object, or actually take the object, and put it to your forehead, just like this. And when it's against your forehead, imagine that a bright blue-white light is going from your hands into the object, and also as well from your forehead into the object. And as you close your eyes, just be calm, continue to breathe, listen to my voice, and the energy is being flowed directly into the object. Your intentions, the love, the joy, the prosperity, the peace, the happiness. Please do that. And I'm only going to do it 1 or 2 times for this video. But as you listen back to it and you apply this technique, you may want to repeat the visualization 5, 6 times before emerging. So as you continue to focus on the object and the light going from your hands to that object, putting in your intentions, allow that object to get brighter, allow the light from your hands, from your forehead to get brighter, infusing the object with beautiful white light. You may even want to use your breath, and on your exhale, just send that energy in, making it brighter and brighter, better and better. Continue to breathe. Continue to see that light. Continue to see that object. Knowing the power of your mind, putting whatever you need to in just the right way. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, push that energy out right into that object with all your love, with all your care, with all your might, knowing that you're infusing this energy into the object, allowing to radiate now on its own. And if you wish, just pause me or continue to visualize, taking a deep breath in and infusing that object time and time again, impregnating that object with all your love, with all your intentions. And whenever you're done, you could just say thank you to the universe, or come out of trance using your 1 to 5 method if you know it, or just allow yourself, when you're ready, to open your eyes, coming back to now, feeling totally refreshed and knowing that your object is now ready to go So anytime you hold that object, whether you put them on your head like I did this morning, I infused my glasses with good energy, or anything else, your life will change. And please use this method. Give me some feedback. It's awesome.